Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about how to do this, and then I kind of realized what the gentleman was stating. He was talking about this. When we go to blend, and let's blend 20 of them and apply, and then go to new path and hit apply, and then blend along full path, and then rotate along object. He was doing that, and the blend was getting smaller. And I do not know why that does that. But so what you need to do, and you need to just think about it. Let's start all over. Get our blend. Apply. Blend along new path. And it's going to go the full path anyway. But if you do blend along full path, you have to check rotate all objects at the same time and then hit apply, and then that's why it works. If you don't hit this at the same time, for some reason it makes them smaller in the middle. And then of course you would want to just break the blend apart, click on your item, group. You don't have to ungroup because we've already broke it, and then just hit delete, and there's your new blend. So you have to kind of do that in that order. Hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.